Using plants as a source of actives for health, wellness, and beauty is a highly scientific process. Leading manufacturers rely on Frutarom Health solution designers who offer a full expertise and know-how in natural ingredients. One example is Echinacea purpurea. This plant, due to its beneficial and healing to strengthen the immune system naturally, is one of the most sought-after medicinal plants. Frutarom Health, the leading global manufacturer of natural extracts for pharmaceuticals and supplements, is able to offer a natural extract of Echinacea purpurea with all beneficial properties of the plant thanks to the speed of production. Only a few hours from fields to finished product. This video is a short guide of Frutarom Health through the production process of a superior extract of Echinacea purpurea. Frutarom Health has been active for over 25 years in the cultivation of this plant, which grows well in Bavaria over a wide area of fields. Frutarom Health can ensure the full quality of its extracts thanks to accurate selection of sources and direct control of cultivation, without use of agrochemicals. It's dawn, and farming vehicles are already working. When the flowering is on top and the plant expresses all its potential, it's collected early in the morning to preserve its freshness. In a few minutes, we arrive to the point of weighing and then to the collection center for processing. The secret of Frutarom for an extract of top quality is here, in this factory, located just a few kilometers from cultivated fields. We proceed directly to the press. This factory is equipped with a very modern production plant. Its tank capacity for pressed juice is 360 metric tons. This is the special cold processing that allows to preserve the maximum beneficial properties of Echinacea that are clinically proven. So, our clients can rely on a very effective extract for the production of their pharmaceutical formulas. The entire process takes place according to strict principles of quality control, as evidenced by our certifications. A few hours ago, the plants were still in the field. Now the extract is ready. Only in this way it maintains all its best properties. Now it's ready for more processing, which allows to obtain a final product either in liquid or in powder form. When choosing a natural extract, always rely on the experience and top quality of Frutarom Health, because we are a company with one common vision: to become your preferred partner of choice. Frutarom Health, safe and quality products for a better quality of life. Frutarom Health, our passion for taste and health.